Alright, today something a little bit different. I'm going to change over this dirty, dusty pipe here with a plasma man one. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it decreases the lag a bit. Hey Mia, what are you doing? But we'll soon find out, I guess. Should only be a rather quick little job. First to go for a little test run, we'll record a bit of video footage and see what it sounds like inside the car. Then go for another little test run and see if it feels any different, and see if it makes any turbo noises, I guess. Should be easy to undo. There's only one, two. Ooh, there's another bolt under there. Yep, another bolt just down there. Hose clamp, C-clip style. It's a 2012 Navara, so they've got that stupid thing. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Righto, do a quick little pull. Kind of hear the turbo, I guess, a little bit. I don't know if we can load it up a little. Yeah, can't really hear anything. When we come back, hopefully we can hear a little bit more of the turbo noises. But for now, sounds like a standard turbo diesel to me. Righto, we'll get Mia out. Then swap this pipe over, see how we go. Come on, come out. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. What are you doing? A little helper? Alright, let's get to it. Rightio. That's a bit of a pain in the ass. You gotta make sure you get like 3 screwdrivers if you don't have the right tools. Leave the circlips out, but then also make sure that this one comes out too, which is the one that kept getting stuck for me. And a little bit of black crap in there, but what else would you expect from an older car? And then just make sure before you put a new one in that you clean it all properly. Righto, bang this sucker in and hopefully it fits okay. See how we go. Righto, it's all in, I think. Fits pretty damn nice. Snug fit. The only thing I wasn't sure about, I didn't feel like this was clipped in properly, but it seems to be in there now, so definitely can't move it. Just that circlip seems to sit out a little bit, but hopefully it should be alright. Go for a test drive and see how she goes. Well, that didn't go as planned. First little test drive and it popped off the turbo. Oops. I'll have to pop it back on. I guess those little clips didn't actually hold properly. Shit. Try again, shall we? Right, so the clip that I thought wasn't in properly was definitely not in properly. It's like it didn't seat or something. See if we can get it fixed and try again. Right, we've got it all good back on. Let's try again for round 2. See if we can't blow the intercooler pop off again. I don't know, see if we can get it to pop off. No. Way better. Jeez. Actually gets rid of a bit of lag. It's pretty good. Potholes. Gotta love Australia, seriously. Well, since I got that little stupid clip sitting there. Oh yeah, that's way better. Hard pipes for the win. Me is loving it in the back. Well, that's good. Pretty happy with that. All for the sake of 70 bucks. Got it off a guy on Facebook Marketplace. He had it up for sale for like 50 bucks or something. Said, oh, look how much to get it posted to me, because oh no, sorry about that. As I was saying, got it off a bloke on Facebook for 70 bucks. Posted it down to me. Yeah, bloody legend. Thanks very much for that, mate. So it's all in. LS, pretty loud. And as you can see, stupid little circlips are in place properly this time. Didn't come off, obviously. Feels a bit better, so bit of a bonus, I guess. Plus, looks better. Now I just got to clean the rest of the engine bay. And this thing does my head in. I don't know if I need a new one or squish that or something. Keeps coming off. Anyway. This thing will have reg on it soon too, hopefully. Yeah. Well, that's the end of that little saga. Hope you enjoyed my quick little video of how to change over your hot pipe on the Navara. Thanks very much for watching this part, and hopefully there's more in this episode. If not, see you later.